This is Vice Chair Commissioner Khadija Abdul Rahman. On behalf of Fulton County, we know that the month of Ramadan has started. Over 1 billion Muslims worldwide will be fasting for a better community and for a better self. This is about discipline and making sure that we reinvent ourselves for the month of Ramadan. Fulton County is home to a very diverse population. We have a large Islamic community from one end of the county to the other, as well as employees that practice the Muslim faith. So I'm saying to you, as your vice chair, happy Ramadan, Ramadan Mubarak. Have a blessed Ramadan.